Hey, what's up guys? So in today's video we will see how to check RAM on any Xiaomi Redmi smartphone. To do that, just open the settings app. Now from here search RAM. Now from here tap on RAM. Now as you can see, this is how you can check the RAM of your device. Now if you want to check the available RAM on your device, go back. From here scroll down and tap on home screen. From here tap on arrange items in recents. Now from here make sure you enable show memory status. Now from here if you tap on the recent apps button, now from here as you can see we have 5.1 gigabytes of RAM available out of 8 gigabytes. And this is how you can check the RAM on your Xiaomi Redmi smartphone. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.